Even when you don't see it, God is moving. You may feel stuck right now, like nothing is changing. But just because you don't see movement doesn't mean God is not working. God often does his greatest work in hidden seasons. While you're waiting, he's building, protecting, and positioning you. Think about it. Some blessings require timing. If God gave it to you too early, it could break you instead of blessing you. So don't lose hope in the waiting. What God is preparing for you will be worth it. Stay faithful. Your story is still being written. Thank you so much for listening. God richly bless you.